Hi everyone, today I am going to tell you about a free online drawing tool that uses artificial intelligence to help you create amazing sketches in minutes. It works on any device and browser, and you don't need to install anything or create an account to use it. You just have to go and start drawing on the website. So let's begin. First you have to open the browser and type here autodraw.com. So here you will get an empty space. Now you have to click here on auto draw, and you can draw any drawing and it will generate and suggest you many similar drawings you can choose from. For example, I am going to draw a bunch of grape. So as you can see here, it starts to give you some suggestions. So for example, I want to choose this grape here. Here I have got the option to rotate it, or if you want to make it bigger in size. And if you want to color it, you have to click on fill and select the color from here, and you have to click here, it will color it for you. If you want to write the text here, you can type here. And if you want to save it to your computer, then you have to just click on download, and see it's downloaded here. Over here, as you can see, you've got different paper sizes you can choose from. Likewise, you can draw anything and you can save it on your computer. The best thing about this tool is that it's totally free. You don't have to sign up, and you can use it from any browser. You can choose from different colors, shapes, text, and free draw options. As you draw, autodraw.com will suggest icons that match your sketch. You can select any of the suggestions and replace your sketch with a professional looking tool. It is fun and easy to make beautiful drawings with the help of artificial intelligence. If you have found my video useful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting and educational videos. Thank you for watching.